Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait mode. You sit down. Do as if you pick something and drop it on the table. Wait for a few seconds or minutes. Then after that, you do as if you blow something out, okay? Then you walk out. Then this other second video is where you are going to record yourself on a green screen, okay? If you want to achieve this video, record yourself on a green screen. Look at my own green screen video here. Record your head part, especially your head part where you are doing anything, all right? Record your head part, and after that, now save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace now. Click on your video, go and locate volume, okay? Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back, okay? Click anywhere now. Then you click on overlay, add overlay. Import your video to workspace. This is your green screen video, alright? Click it and locate volume and reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. At this point, go and locate where you want the green screen to start from. Click here now and make a split, alright? Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then click on it and go and look for remove BG, okay? Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now, alright? Chroma key, drag it up, okay? Mark on this good and go back, alright? So at this point, you are going to be clicking on it again to go and locate adjust. Look for adjust, guys. Locate adjust. Click on adjust now. Look for HSL. Click on it. Click on that green there. Reduce saturation to 100%. Reduce it, right? Yeah. Mark on this good and go back. That arrow, mark on that good. Then after that now, alright? So we are going to be looking for mask. Click on mask now, alright? Click on mask. Then you click on circle, okay? Click on circle, guys. Then you circle this your head. Take time here to do your necessary adjustments so that your head will look neat, okay? Circle your head. Make it look neat. After that, you can play with that feather icon there so that it will look okay, alright? So play with this very place so that you will get a very good one. If you are done, you mark on this good and go back, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Mark on that good and go back. Welcome to the tutorial. So what we are going to be doing here now is we are going to adjust this green screen back, alright? We want to do something here, alright? Adjust it so that as your hand is coming up now, locate where your hand is coming up, alright? Immediately your hand comes up, you can click on the main video and expand it. You can decide to make it big, you can decide to leave it the way it is before. So after here now, immediately your hand comes up, look at it again. Good, you can leave it here. Click on this green screen and adjust it to display. Look at it now. You want to click on it and add keyframe. Add keyframe to this video now. Then you adjust it a little bit. Take that video to the point of your hand, alright? Immediately you take that your head to your hand. Then you want to adjust the video a little bit, okay? Adjust this video a little bit. Then you bring it to the top of the table. Bring it down on top of the table. Let us see what we have got so far. Good, this is good. So you allow the video to play, alright? We have some work to do at the back as well, but allow the video to play to the point where I'll be telling you the next thing to do, okay? So let's look at this place. Immediately your head comes down, click on the video and add another keyframe, okay? Add another keyframe now. Adjust the video a bit. Drag your head out, drag it down, drag it out completely. Drag it out completely. That is good. So at this point, look at it. Good. So at this point, I feel this video is ready. We are going to be watching it from the beginning to see what we have got so far, all right? So take it to the beginning. Let us watch it from the beginning and see what we have got so far. At the cost of watching it now, all right? If there are some errors, you try to correct your errors. But as for me, this video is ready here. Okay, this video is ready. So what we are going to be doing now is, when we get to the back, we go and cut out the unwanted parts. The video is ready. So at this point, click here and make a split, okay? Click on the green screen, make a split. Delete this one and delete this one. So at this point, your video is ready. What will be remaining now is to add your necessary effects, sound effects, light effects, and as the case may be, every other effects you need for the video. And after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. My number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me, alright? Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, okay? And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. So right now, we are going to be exporting this video to our gallery, okay? So click on export now and export your video to your gallery. The video is exporting, okay? Now this video I've exported completely. This video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, alright? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.